Hey guys, back with another video. We're gonna be working on the XP 5800 with Service Pack 2. That's what I've named it. It's gonna be a travel pod that goes on my trailer. So today we're gonna be doing some hubs. I'm gonna replace the old hubs. They're pretty worn out. I don't trust them. And there goes an airplane. But anyway, I'm going to take you with me, so let's get to it. Okay guys, this is the worst hub. This is the one that had the plastic all over it. You can see it's got all kind of grit and grime in it. It's got old grease. So we're gonna replace them both today. So let's go to the shop. Okay guys, here we are. We're in the shop. I got everything laid out. I'm gonna take you through it. The most important thing is the coffee. Gotta have the coffee. And this is some multi-purpose lithium grease. Should work well for the axles. Then over here we have all of our parts. These are the axle covers. I don't know why they give you 4. You only got 2 hubs. Then you got your main bearing, which is on the outside, your inner bearing, your 2 washers for the outside, your 2 castle nuts, and your 2 seals. These are seals. And then of course you got your 2 hubs. Got nuts, cotter pin for the castle bolts. And so I'm going to take you through this real quick. It's not rocket science. I used to rebuild my hubs on my race car about every other race. And so let's get to it. Okay guys, I forgot to mention the second most important thing are the plastic gloves. You don't want grease all over you. So I got my hub, and the way I like to do it is start with the inner hub first. And first thing we got to do is get these bearings packed. And they're brand new. There's no grease on them. So let's get started. Don't be shy. And then the second thing I'm going to do is grab a glob and put it on here. Now I got my gloves 2 globs thick, and so we're going to start packing this thing. So the way I like to do it is just start here and work it in. Work it in. Work it in. You want a liberal amount. And don't be shy with it, because it's important to get it all the way in the bearings. When it starts pushing out the top, you know you've got enough. So I just keep going around till I got a real liberal amount. Go all the way around the bearing really good. Just make sure you're getting it good and gooey. Alright, so we got our bearings. Now we're going to just clean it up a little bit around the outer edge before we put our seals in. And that's a crucial step, is putting the seals. And the way I do this is I don't have a seal press, so I just make sure I got it lined up the way it should be. I got a little rubber mallet just to get it to stick. And do the same with this one. All we're doing is trying to get it to stick a little bit. hammer on your sill. You do not want to damage these. And you can pick these up at the hardware, at the auto parts store, but make sure your wood is nice and clean. You don't want any debris. And just set that on there. Washer there, put it on, and you got your assembly. All I gotta do is clean up a little bit, and I'll call this one done. Oh wow. How about that, folks? That is never good. Looks like that broke, so I'm gonna have to fix that. I'll be back. Hey guys, we got it all greased up. We got the new grease cap on. And as you can see, I'm doing old school, just to get them snug. Someone said that I needed to get some air tools. I guess I could, but I'm so used to doing it this way that it would be too much of a luxury. But anyway, that about does it for this video. I'd call this project done. I got new hubs, I got new bearings, new grease, new fittings, new caps. This thing should be good. I'm gonna drive it around locally for, a little while, and make sure nothing's overheating or the lug nuts are coming loose on it. And we're gonna be moving on to do some woodwork, so stay tuned.